Number 1. Today. As. In Manipuri, ngasi. Number 2. Yesterday or tomorrow. Kal. In Manipuri, yesterday means ngarang. Tomorrow means hayeng. Number 3. Clock. Ghari. In Manipuri, ghari. Number 4. No, not. Nahi. In Manipuri, natte. Number 5. See. That. In Manipuri, uba. Number 6. Small. Sota. In Manipuri, apikpa. Number 7. Big. Bada. In Manipuri, achauba. Number 8. Beautiful. Sundar. In Manipuri, phajaba. Number 9. Good. Acha. In Manipuri, aphava. Number 10. Bad. Bura. In Manipuri, phattaba. Number 11. Thank you. Dhanyabad. In Manipuri, thagachari. Number 12. Something. Kuch. In Manipuri, karigumba khara. Number 13. What. Kya. In Manipuri, kari. Number 14. Tea. Chai. In Manipuri, cha. Number 15. Kaha. Set. In Manipuri, haiba. Number 16. Water. Pani. In Manipuri, ising. Number 17. Head. Sir. In Manipuri, kok. Number 18. Hand. Heart. In Manipuri, khut. Number 19. Finger. Ungli. In Manipuri, khucha. Number 20. Stomach. Pet. In Manipuri,